Hello everyone. Welcome back to Digit Compare. Today, in this video we'll be guiding you through the process of installing the Astra theme for your WordPress website. To get started, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already, please log into your WordPress dashboard. But wait, before we started, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. The first step to install Astra Theme. Navigate to Appearance, and then click on Themes. Now go to Search bar and type Astra. As you enter, you will have some result. From here, you can install Astra Theme. Or you can download the Astra Theme from their official website. We have added link in description to go Astra official website. Visit and download as we are showing in this video. Once you have the Astra Theme zip file downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then click on Themes. Now, click on the Add New button. Here, you have the option to upload the theme file. Click on Upload Theme, choose the Astra theme file you downloaded, and click Install Now. Fantastic! The Astra theme is now installed on your WordPress site. To activate it, simply click on Activate. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated the Astra theme for your WordPress website. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. In the next video, we will guide you that how can you install free demo theme to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching Digit Compare. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, follow us on social media.